This is how to use clipping mask on text in Adobe Illustrator. So here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and in this video I want to show you how to make one single photo fill out the entire text, because before we can do this there's a special feature we need to know about before we can make it work. But first I'm gonna show you how to just use one letter as a clipping mask. So here I have a text that I simply made with the type tool up here. And before we can use the text as a clipping mask, we want to outline the text. So simply select the selection tool, click at the text, right click at the text and go to Create Outlines. Now the letters are converted into shapes, so we can no longer type inside the text box, because it is no longer a text box. It is simply shapes. After outlining the letters, we still can't just choose one letter. As you can tell, if I click on the A, I will still select all the letters. To fix this, simply right click on the letters and click Ungroup. Now we can select every letter by itself. So now we can simply move our photo, place it where we want it to be, hold down the Shift key to select both the image and the letter we want to use as a clipping mask, then right click and select Clipping Mask. And here we have our clipping mask. And if we want to move around with the photo inside this letter, maybe we want the moon to go all the way up to the top of the A, we need to use this direct selection tool or the white arrow, and here we can simply click it and drag it around as we want to. And we can also select anchor points on the letter to manipulate the letter. Okay, so that's how we use a single character as a clipping mask. But we cannot use this method if we want to use the entire text as a clipping mask. And that is simply because that if we want to use the entire text, after we outline the text is actually behaving like 4 separate shapes. And we cannot use multiple shapes to act as the same clipping mask. So let me show you how you do this. So first select the selection tool, then select the text. And here we are back to start, so this is still a text box. So first we want to right click the text box and select Create Outline, just as we did over here. But now instead of right clicking and clicking Ungroup, we want to go to Object, go to Compound Path and select Make. And sometimes it loses its color, but it really doesn't matter. If you want, you can just give it a random color. And we can't really see any difference, but when we converted it to a compound path, we are now telling Illustrator that this should act like one single shape. So now we can move this image down wherever we want it to be. And maybe your image is on top, like this. But then you just right click it and click Arrange, Send to Back. When you have your image where you want it to be, we can simply select the image, hold down the Shift key and select the text. Then right click and click Make Clipping Mask. And once again we can use the direct selection tool to move around with the image as we want. Now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.